The bee hummingbird is the tiniest bird on Earth. But don't let its size fool you. It lays the smallest egg in the world, no bigger than a pea. With a heart rate of 1,200 beats per minute, it's a true flying metabolism machine, zipping from flower to flower. Males flash iridescent feathers that change color in the sunlight, dazzling their mates. Weighing less than a US penny, this bird is lighter than pocket change. And to survive the night, it enters torpor, a sleep mode that slows its heart and body temperature, conserving energy until sunrise. Tiny but absolutely incredible. Let me know your thoughts about this adorable creatures in the comment. To know more about bee hummingbirds and other interesting creatures, please like and subscribe.